Um, so, one of the things that I notice in and keep in mind, I've been, as the chief has, and the deputy, and probably many of you, I've been in the regulatory environment for a long time, 30 years or something. The EPA has all kinds of petroleum engineers and is doing, all sorts of things now, but it was a different agency when I was there, and we looked at things differently. And what I've seen really in recent times, and over, say, especially the last decade, is a lot more public scrutiny of environmental regulatory actions taken by commissions and different agencies. I work for a number of different regulatory agencies around the country too, but within that, what I see is many agencies taking a reactionary posture, and I think that's unfortunate. In that, what I think that public scrutiny has resulted in is agencies perhaps taking a more of a I'm not sure just how to say this, but a more aggressive action than probably would be substantiated or needed. Not to say that that it's right or wrong, but in this case, and I've seen this in others, I think it was unnecessary to completely shut the well in. The division had data that they were reviewing. They had some time in there that they could have adjusted or required the company to adjust operational controls to then monitor what happened at that point with the information and really understanding that there just hasn't been instances of of catastrophic Armageddon related to induced seismicity, and with some information that that modifying operational controls can influence the magnitude and frequency of seismicity, and that part of the resource boom going on in Ohio by its nature causes induced seismicity. I mean, hydraulic fracturing causes induced seismicity. Breaking rocks, that's induced seismicity. You have the mines program, which does blasts, which creates induced seismicity. We allow trucks on the road, which create induced seismicity.
Jack, the witness has gone, I think, beyond the scope of the original question.
We'll just ask Counselor to move on to this next question. I think he
I think at
addressed
this point,
the answer to your question.